Want to play the Monopoly Go game and don't know how to download it? Then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Monopoly Go app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the App Store on your mobile phone, just like this. Now open it. After opening the app, tap onto the search bar just right here. Then tap Monopoly Go just like this and search for it. And now here you can find the app just right here. Now select it. Then to download it, simply tap onto Get option just right here. Now select it. Now confirm that you want to download it. Now double click to install just like this. And now you can see the app has been downloading. Now wait for a few minutes and the app will be downloaded. And now you can see the app has been downloaded. Now tap on to open the app. You can also find the app on your home screen just like this. And that's it. This is how you can download the Monopoly Go app on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.